stay tuned to see the unboxing of these bundles from Fashion Plus, okay? What's up, YouTube? It's Jasmine Jazzy B. I'm back with another YouTube video. I received some hair from Fashion Plus and I will be doing a unboxing on this hair, and we're going to get right up into this video because I'm hype about these bundles, okay? But before we get up into this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you are new. Please subscribe, please show me some love, and we're going to get right up into this video. Okay, we're jumping straight up into it, okay? So here is my bundles that I received from Fashion Plus. This is the bag that it came in. I literally just took it out the Amazon packaging, so here it is right here. I'm going to open it. And I'm going to take this out and show you guys. So it came with a wig cap, because you know all the little bundles come with the wig caps. Wig cap. I won't be needing a wig cap though. It also came with my bundles. Okay. So I have 3 bundles. 20 inches, 18 inches, 16 inches, or 16 inches, 18 inches, 20 inches, okay? They all fell to the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to open the packaging of this hair. So I'm going to open the 16 inch first to show you guys how it's looking. So this is Brazilian Body Wave, and the color is natural. So it's a natural color, and it is 16 inches, and this is how it's looking, 16 inches. And I'm going to open up the 18 inch next, so you guys can see. This is 18 inches. And remember, it is a body wave, and it is in the color natural. So this is the 18 inches. And last but not least, I'm going to open up the 20 inch hair. And this is the 20 inch bundle body wave. Looking good, looking good. Looking good, looking good. Okay, so this is all 3 bundles, the 16, the 18, and the 20 inch bundles. Look at that bounce, okay? Popping. So this is how the bundles are looking. And it feels really soft. It feels really full so far. Yep. Okay, so before I, cut the little ties off the bundles, I'm going to do a smell test to let you guys in on how it smells. So it does have a slight odor, but it's not like a bad odor, but it does have a smell to it. And next I'm going to get my scissors, and I'm going to cut off this little string so you guys can, get the full picture of how these bundles are looking, okay? So I'm gonna cut off this one so you guys can see. Make sure I don't cut the hair, okay? Don't cut the hair. And I'm so mad like that I can't even put these bundles in because I have braids, but it's all good. It's all good because I'm gonna still give you guys an honest review on these bundles, okay? So yeah, here's how it's looking. Like, it looks really pretty. Like, I love it. Like, the bounce, the texture, the volume, like, it's looking so good. All right, so I'm gonna have to give you guys a close-up of these bundles because they look so good. Like, look at that. Like, yo, they look so pretty. I cannot wait to install these bundles. Like, I can't wait because right after these braids come out, this is going in. And I will definitely give you guys an update. Like, I promise this time, because last time I said I was going to do an update on my last hair that I purchased, my last bundles, and I never did. But I promise I'm going to do an update on this one, okay? But yeah, so this is how they look. I think they look really gorgeous and really full. Okay, we're going to get into this length check. Now, I don't have a measuring tape, so I'm just going to kind of like look at it. So what I did notice is that the 16 and 18 inch, they look literally basically the same length. It's like a slight difference in the length of 16 and 18 inches. But the 20 inches, it does look a bit longer. And because I guess it's a body wave, you know, might be a little bit shorter. I don't know how hair works, but all right. So this is the 20 inch. I'm gonna show you guys. I have my corset on, don't mind me, but 20 inches. Okay, and this is the 18 inches. And then this is the 16, which is shorter, 16 inches. And I'm gonna honestly dye my bundles jet black, and I will give you an update once I dye the bundles before I install it. But that's the length check, and we're gonna get into, what should we do next? We're gonna get into the wefts. So the wefts look pretty good. No complaints. Pretty thick wefts. See how it's looking. So the wefts look pretty good. No complaints. Next I want to do a shed test to see if it sheds, because you know we don't like hair that sheds. So let's see how this hair holds up. Okay. So I got like 2 strands of hair, so it seems like it's minimal shedding. Not mad at that. Cause listen, when hair sheds, it's just all over the place, and I literally don't have time for that. So yeah, we don't do the shedding over here. So seems like it's minimal shedding. But I mean, if you're running your hair through bundles, like something's gonna come out. But if it's a whole bunch of hair that's coming out, no good. But this is good. I've been running my hands through this for a minute now, and pretty good with the shedding. So I give it a thumbs up for the shedding. Okay, so we're going to get into the price of these 3 bundles. So for the 16, 18, and 20 inch bundles, the price is $79.45. I had double check. $79.45 for 3 bundles, 16 inch, 18 inch, 20 inch, body wave in the color natural. Okay, so that's the price. Really reasonable, not too bad for 3 bundles. Like pretty cool, pretty cheap price. So the price is good. And I don't want to forget the company. The company is Fashion Plus on Amazon, and everything will be like in the description below. And yeah, so the company is Fashion Plus on Amazon. The shipping, I have Prime, so the shipping literally was like 2 days later, fast shipping, which is amazing, because like I remember back in the day when you used to have to wait for a week or 2, maybe more, for your hair to come. And now because of Amazon Prime, your hair can come super fast. Like no complaints in that department. So the shipping was amazing, the customer service was amazing. So yeah, so the bundles look really lovely. I cannot wait to install them. I will definitely do an update video when I do install them to let you guys know how it's looking, and you know how the hair is holding up. So definitely stay tuned for that video. And yeah, the smell, minimum shedding. So I give this hair a thumbs up. And yeah, so everything will be linked down in the description below. So make sure y'all head over to Fashion Plus on Amazon and get you some body wave bundles, okay? Remember, in this video I have 16, 18, and 20 inch in the color natural black, and go check them out, okay? And remember, if you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Every subscriber counts, okay? So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this hair. If you're planning on ordering this hair, let me know. And have a wonderful week. Have a wonderful weekend. And be safe. And I will see you guys next time.